Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to add a gift card on Airbnb. If you want to add a gift card on Airbnb, first of all launch open the Airbnb app on your Android or iOS device. You can also visit airbnb.com using a web browser on your computer. Either way, sign into your account. Make sure you are logged into the correct account before adding the gift card. Once you're inside the home page, go to the profile icon at the bottom right or at the top right corner. After you're inside your profile section, tap on Account Settings. On the next page, click on Payments. Now, click on Credit and Coupons. Here, you can go ahead and add your gift card or your coupon code. To add a gift card, tap the Add Gift Card button at the top. On the next page, enter your PIN code available in your gift card. Make sure that you enter your gift card number exactly as it appears in your gift card. After doing so, click on the Redeem Gift Card button, and if the gift card number is available, you will be able to redeem it right away. The balance will be automatically applied at checkout when booking a stay or experience. If the total cost in your booking is higher than the gift card amount, you can pay the remaining balance using another payment method. So that is how you add a gift card in Airbnb. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.